Have you ever tried to drop into a deep squat and stay there for 30 seconds without wobbling, without pain, without feeling like your joints are about to give out? If you can't, then I have some news for you. Your body is aging faster than you think. But don't worry, this isn't about punishing gym routines, expensive equipment, or complicated fitness hacks. The solution is far more ancient, far more human, and surprisingly simple. It's called the resting squat, the deep natural position our ancestors used every single day to rest, eat, work, and simply live. For most of human history, this posture was as normal as breathing. Then came chairs, cars, and endless hours at desks. We abandoned the squat, and in doing so, we lost one of the most powerful tools for mobility, strength, and longevity. But here's the good news. You can bring it back. And if you spend just 5 minutes a day in this position, you could transform your health in ways that modern medicine is only beginning to confirm. When I first attempted a deep squat, it wasn't pretty. My knees cracked, my ankles ached, my hips felt locked up like rusted hinges. And maybe that's exactly what yours would feel like too. But here's the truth. The discomfort isn't the problem. It's the evidence of the problem. Years of sitting in chairs at a neat 90-degree angle trained my joints to move in only one restricted range. It left the rest of my mobility unused, neglected, and eventually stiff. That stiffness shows up as morning aches, difficulty climbing stairs, and general wear and tear. But after just 1 week of practicing 5 minutes of squatting each day, I noticed change. The stiffness in the morning faded. My knees no longer protested every climb. My hips began to unlock. It was like oiling a rusty machine. Suddenly it moved smoothly again. And this is just the beginning, because squatting doesn't only heal your joints, it restores the natural movement patterns your body was designed for. Think about it. When was the last time you bent down to tie your shoes without groaning or dropping awkwardly to one knee? When was the last time you picked something off the ground with ease instead of wincing? That's where squatting works its quiet magic. It doesn't just stretch your muscles, it resets your body's software. It teaches your hips, knees, and ankles to coordinate again the way they were designed to. After just 2 weeks of consistent squatting, everyday tasks became effortless. Reaching low shelves, crouching to clean, even playing with kids on the floor, suddenly they felt natural, almost playful. It was as though I had reinstalled a forgotten operating system, one that had been there all along, buried under decades of sitting. But the benefits don't stop at movement. Squatting also builds strength, even without weights or machines. Hold a squat and you'll realize quickly this is not passive. Your calves fire, your thighs burn, your glutes engage, your lower back stabilizes. Even your feet, those often ignored foundations, work overtime to keep you balanced. 2 weeks in, I felt stronger climbing stairs. My legs carried me with less effort. My posture grew more stable. And I never once touched a dumbbell or treadmill. The squat is nature's leg press, core workout, and balance drill rolled into one. It strengthens exactly the muscles that keep you moving through life. But that's not all. It can even help with something you'd never expect: your digestion. This might surprise you, but your intestines don't love chairs. Sitting in a squat changes the angle of your gut, allowing digestion and elimination to happen more smoothly. That's why in many cultures, toilets are still designed for squatting. After adopting this habit, I noticed something subtle but powerful. Less bloating, easier digestion, a lighter feeling day to day. My body wasn't just moving better, it was processing food the way it was supposed to. But digestion is just one layer. Squatting also protects you against one of the biggest dangers of aging: falls. Falling is one of the leading causes of disability and loss of independence in older adults. But the ability to squat is a direct antidote. Why? Because balance is not just about your inner ear, it's about the coordination of your ankles, knees, hips, and core all at once. Squatting trains this full system in harmony. Suddenly, stepping off a curb, walking on uneven ground, or turning quickly doesn't feel risky. It feels natural. I felt myself becoming steadier, more rooted, less likely to stumble. And yet, squatting also solves something much more every day: circulation. Think about how you feel after a long day sitting at your desk. Heavy legs, swollen feet, that dragging fatigue in your lower body. It's no coincidence. Sitting traps blood and lymphatic fluid in your extremities. Squatting acts like a pump. The repeated bending of your hips, knees, and ankles pushes blood upward, helping your heart. It moves lymph fluid through your body, strengthening your immune system. After squatting daily, my legs no longer felt heavy at the end of the day. They felt alive. But there's more. Squatting can even correct your posture and ease back pain. When you squat deeply, something beautiful happens naturally. Your pelvis tilts into its proper position. Your spine lengthens. Your chest opens. Your shoulders relax backward. After weeks of practice, I noticed myself standing taller, slouching less, and even breathing easier. The nagging tension in my lower back melted away. Squatting had become my daily chiropractic adjustment, free, natural, and far more effective than I expected. And while posture is crucial, there's another benefit hiding lower in the body, one that most people overlook until it's too late. For women after childbirth, for men and women as they age, the pelvic floor becomes an invisible yet critical foundation. Weakness here can mean loss of bladder control, poor balance, and core instability. Squatting strengthens the pelvic floor in a natural, dynamic way, helping it both contract and release as it should. It restores control, stability, and confidence. But perhaps the benefit that shocked me most was how much it transformed my hip mobility. Hips locked tight from sitting are like rusted doors. They resist every attempt to move freely. But squatting is the key. By regularly sitting deep into the squat, I found my hips loosening, my stride lengthening, my entire lower body moving with grace. What used to feel like hard mechanical steps became smooth, fluid motion. My body felt younger, lighter, more agile. And all of this led me to the final, most powerful benefit. The one that touches not just how you move today, but how long you will live tomorrow. One remarkable study showed that the ability to sit down and stand up without using your hands can predict longevity. Those who struggled had a much higher risk of early death. The reason is simple. The squat is a mirror of your vitality. It reflects your strength, your mobility, your balance, and your resilience. If you can squat, you can stay independent longer. You can live, not just exist. Every time I squat now, I remind myself, this isn't just about exercise. This is about staying strong enough to carry groceries at 70, to play with grandchildren at 80, to walk on my own at 90. Of course, if you have severe joint pain, recent surgeries, or conditions like osteoporosis, you should approach squatting carefully. Start by holding onto a chair or wall. Use cushions or supports if needed. Progress gradually. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about consistency. A few seconds today, a little longer tomorrow. Your body adapts quickly when given the chance. The truth is simple. Your body was never designed for chairs. It was designed to squat. For millions of years, humans thrived in this position. And with just 5 minutes a day, you can reclaim its power. Better joints, natural movement, strength, digestion, balance, circulation, posture, pelvic floor health, hip mobility, longevity, 10 gifts unlocked by one forgotten habit. So here is my question to you. Will you give your body back what it's been missing? Will you take just 5 minutes to rediscover the most human posture of all? Because if you do, 10 years from now, your future self will look back and thank you.